करना, चालू करो. This is the Brewesters law. Okay, and this Brewesters law is also known as the Brewesters angle. Brewster's angle is defined as the angle of incidence. This is the angle of incidence of a ordinary light. Angle of incidence of the ordinary light at which the reflected rays in transparent medium. This is the transparent medium is completely plane polarized angle. Is plane polarized angle is known as the Brewster's angle. Okay, see this figure. XY with the plane refracting surface. There are two mediums, medium first and medium second. NAM is normal to the XY. PA, this is the PA. PA is the incident ray. Angle PAN is nothing but the angle of incidence. See this figure. AR is a refracted ray. Angle RAN is the R1. Now this AD refracted ray. Angle MAD is the angle R, angle of refraction. Now deduction of the Brewster's law. Deduction of the Brewster's law. Now deduction of the Brewster's law from this figure. Okay, at a polarizing angle IP from the refracted ray R perpendicular to each other. Okay, perpendicular to each other from this figure. Now R1 plus 90 plus R is equal to 180. See this figure. R1 plus this is the 90 angle plus R is equal to 180. Okay, now R1 plus R is equal to 90. Then R is equal to what? 90 minus R1. According to the first law of reflection. First law of reflection. Okay, first law of reflection, that is the R1 is equal to IP. Then R is equal to 90 minus IP. Okay, from Snell's law. From Snell's law. You know Snell's law is also called as what? That is the refracted law. Okay, now 1 mu 2 is equal to sin I by sin R. That is the sin IP because the polarizing angle. So 1 mu 2 is equal to sin IP upon sin R is equal to sin IP. So sin R is nothing but what? This is the sin, this 90 minus IP. So is equal to sin IP upon cos IP. Okay, this is the formula. So the 1 mu 2 is equal to sin upon cos is nothing but tan IP. And this formula is also known as the polarizing angle or Brewster's law. And this bit is completely 4 marks.